What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And after this video, make sure you hit a like so that many people can see this and the YouTube algorithm can spread this around. So I have not done a stock analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, I have a M1 finance portfolio that I usually do videos on Monday. I have I have a Fundrise section. I usually do it on Friday, so I kind of call it M1 Monday and Fundrise Friday. But I haven't done a stock analysis in a while, and I'm really looking forward to giving you this YouTube lecture on Arbor Realty Trust and like a PowerPoint one. And I'm going to show you why I bought this stock and why I'm going to show you some stock analysis as well as dividend analysis on this stock. Who the heck is ABR? Okay, that's another question. So Arbor Realty Trust is a nationwide real estate investment trust and direct lender providing loan origination and servicing for multifamily, single-family rental portfolios, senior housing, healthcare, and other diverse commercial real estate assets. Headquartered in Uniondale, New York, Arbor manages a multi-billion-dollar servicing portfolio specializing in government-sponsored enterprise products. Arbor is a Fannie Mae DUS lender and Fannie Mae Optigo servicer/seller. Arbor's product platform also includes CMBS, bridge, mezzanine, and preferred equity loans. Rated by Standard & Poor's Fitch Ratings, Arbor is committed to building on its reputation for service, quality, and customized solutions with unparalleled dedication to providing our clients excellence over the entire life of a loan. So it's a real estate investment trust. It's actually a very special stock in my opinion. It's very low, and I'm going to show you the rest of that in this video. So what makes this stock so special and why did I buy it? Well, $6.02. I mean, why is this so special? Okay, it's right now at $6.02. What is so amazing? Real estate took a hit. Why should I put this in my dividend portfolio? Again, I'm not a financial advisor or a financial professional, as I have my disclaimer in my videos, in all my videos, but let's just see why this is a special stock. So in the past 5 years against the S&P, it has drilled the S&P. Now, I know if you're looking at this graph, it's like, okay, it's down. Well, real estate, the sector in real estate and financials took a really big hit recently, and everybody's discussing this V-shape rebound. So ABR is right at $6. I got it right around 5 or so. I'll show you how many shares I own. And I thought I got them when they were down, but I guess not. But we'll find out in the long run. But I have been making money, and they have beaten the S&P, which helps out a lot. So let's see at its peak, $15.42. I had this stock right around that. That was November 8th of 2019. It was still going up and up and up, and all of a sudden it went down because the market took a big hit. So at that time, it was 119.97% to the S&P's 46.71% in the past 5 years. That looks great, honestly. It's done very well at that time before the dip happened, so that's very promising. So here's a dividend history of ABR. So in 2013, it was right at 13 cents a share, and then 2014 it was at 13 cents a share for quarterly dividend. And then 2015 jumped up to 15 cents a share. Then 2016, 16 cents a share. 2017, 17, 18, and 19 cents a share. Then 2018, 21 cents a share to 27 cents a share. Then a special dividend popped up in December 2018 and March 21st. Then quarterly dividends kicked in at 28 cents a share, and then 29 cents, and then 30 cents a share. So usually when you're a dividend investor, you got to watch yield traps, but really, these guys have increased their dividend. The price per share has gone up, and they've beaten the S&P in the past 5 years. So they give off a pretty strong dividend, and usually that's going to turn people away. But this is why it's such a special stock. It's like, my gosh, I mean, if it goes to $30 a share, imagine how much money you'd be racking up. Now again, I'm not a financial advisor, but things are looking strong. I know the market has taken a big hit, so real estate's taken a big hit, but it'll probably be right back up there once people start waking up, and the market fixes itself, and then people feel more confident with the market and everything. So things are going to start going up and fixing itself. So that's what's great about this. There's a lot of potential in it. I mean, if you have an IRA or Roth IRA, you might want to consider this in it. There's just so many really good things about this stock. I mean, beating the S&P, raising its dividend, price per share going up. I mean, this is just fantastic. Think about this. It opened at $6.32. The low was $5.78. The high was $5.97. The 52-week low was $3.54. Imagine if you got it right there at $3.54, and it's already jumping up. 52-week high, $15.77 a share. Now the dividend it doesn't look very attractive right now at 19.51%, but it's not going to be that high once it grows back up there. The dividend percentage will just start dropping a little bit, and the price per share will go up. But they're holding off a little bit, so they're not doing too bad. And then what does Zacks say about this? So right now it's a hold. Industry rankings the top 36%, 92 out of 253 in the industry rate and equity trust. So things are looking pretty good. It's rated as a whole. Okay. So it's holding right now. Zacks before did have it as buy. I've seen it before on the, when they have called them as a buy before in the past. So how many shares do I own? I own 41 shares right now. And I got it right around, some of them I got right around $7 a share. So it looks like I took a hit, but I'll be right back up there. And, I have like $200 and some dollars. Maybe I'll get to 300 and just leave them alone. Let the dividends go from there. But that's really exciting to see that. So that's what I really like to see. And here's my estimated income on E-Trade. It is $12.30. This is estimated quarterly. So things are headed in the right direction. So I have 41 shares, and they give off a 30%, dividend. And I got $12.30. So that would be basically buying 2 shares per quarterly income. So I'd be reinvesting, which is great, and then my money will make money and let the compound interest kick in, which will lead me very close to my goal of $1,000 a year on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So that's what makes me really excited. And then I will focus on my M1 finance portfolio. Once I get to 1,000, it's going to be more M1 finance. And my goal will be to excel in M1 finance, get to $100,000 on my dividend portfolio, and then just keep on going. So that's my goal. I am going to be very aggressive with them. I'm going to cut apart some pieces and make it a stronger dividend portfolio and a bigger dividend portfolio. So my money's going to make money, money's going to make money on there. I got this, I got Fundrise, I got 4 basically things of income right now if I decide to flip it. 1, I got Fundrise. 2, I got Rich Uncles. 3, I got E-Trade. And 4, I got M1 Finance. So those are 4 sources of income. Who cares about YouTube? I mean, if I make money, I make money. That's fine. But this is what I'm really focused on. This is why I made this channel. I became empowered from you guys to talk about your dividend portfolios and everything. So I decided to show you what I'm doing and what type of stocks I buy, because that can maybe help you decide on getting new type of a new philosophy, or enhance your philosophy, or enhance your dividend portfolio. So this is why I made it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would love to see your IRA, Roth IRA, and your dividend portfolio generate passive income to help you retire and live a very nice financial life. And then you can post on my YouTube, or my Instagram, or my Twitter account, or my Facebook. Facebook, I need to work on a little bit more. I really haven't been that active, but let me know how you're doing, man. Let me know how your dividend portfolio is doing. So again, thank you guys for watching these videos. You guys have been fantastic subscribers in the Dividend Warrior community. If you're new again, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Make sure you give me a like if you like this. If you like this stock analysis and dividend analysis, if you want me to make more of these on stocks that I own, I'll be glad to do that. And again, compound interest is kicking in. My money is making money, and I feel really happy about that. You should too once your 401k or your Roth IRA starts growing. That's what it's all about. You can live happily and healthy. You can teach future generations how to be smart with their money, so they're not pissing their money away at the bar or throwing it away at casinos. Because people can say that dividend investing in stocks is gambling, but at least you're getting money out of it, not losing money on things like gambling. So, or buying a lottery ticket. What are your chances of winning from a lottery ticket? Not very high. So if you want to waste that money on that, go ahead. But my dividend portfolio and other people's dividend portfolios are doing really well, and it'll help you be smarter with your money, and it'll make your hard-earned money that you make, have your money make money, and it'll motivate you to make more money and work harder. This is really, ever since I had and created a channel, my first niche, I kind of focused on nursing. I did a few reviews on products. I mean, my Premier Protein video was actually my biggest video out of the whole thing, compared to dividend investing, and that got me to blow up actually on my channel. And I get the most subscribers actually from watching that video. But really, my niche is focused on helping you guys, and this is what it's all about. So I just want to emphasize that hard work pays off. Let your money make money. Be smart and be patient, and go from there. So thank you again for watching this video. You guys have a awesome Wednesday. Let me know how your dividend stocks are doing. I know the market looks very happy right now. Did you buy any oil stocks? Let me know if you did. If you did, which oil stocks did you buy in? Just let me know from there. So thank you again, and you guys have a good one.